order, please?
Hey, can I get a large black coffee with 1 sugar, please?
Large coffee with 1 sugar.
Yep.
That's everything?
That's all.
See you on the way.
Alright. What's up, guys? It's like Dr. Dre coming out of the studio today. I've ran out of videos to edit, so here I am, making a video of my own. I'm just basically gonna video the car day that is about to happen for us right now. We're going to Rob's to work on this thing, my Sierra and his truck, and then we're going to Clayton's to work on his son's car, the Mustang. I'm gonna supervise some wiring that they plan on doing, LS wiring, swapping stuff. So yeah, let's get to it. Rob's doing some welding on some metal to make a gas tank strap for the old Tahoe Yukon machine. As you can see, the ratchet strap under there. I drove this thing when the gas tank strap broke and survived. Rob also did a bunch of work on the drive shaft today, put new U-joints on it. Like I said about my truck, got to get them ready for winter around here. Don't have to deal with it once it's super cold outside. The problem with this door is I replaced the hinge pins and bushings a while ago when I was getting it safetied. And the bottom one I kind of screwed up on. I thought I had to drill it out and I didn't, and now it's really big. I don't know if a proper bushing will fit. And as you can see, the door is like really down in the back. You can tell the body line is way off, and it like doesn't close ever now, which is super annoying. There's lots of flex there. So I'm gonna get Rob's opinion on the subject.
Like, are you talking about the fact that it doesn't open and close good?
Yeah, so feel the bottom, the very bottom, where a bushing should be.
Oh, but see, there shouldn't be a bushing there, I don't think. Or maybe. Because there's already a bushing in the bracket.
Yeah. I think maybe that's what it was.
Maybe this is just like...
I drilled out the bottom when I shouldn't have.
Yeah. So what we could do there would be to pull the pin out and put a bushing in there. Because you drilled the hole out too much. We could just put a bigger bushing in there, which I have bushings
That's
here.
kind of what I was thinking.
Yeah.
So we would just have to pop the pin up just enough to... Right? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You can... That's why it's no good.
Yeah.
Obviously.
Yeah, so if we knock the bushing out and then just lift the door, either you hold it or else lift it with a jack, give us some room there, and then we'll just put a bushing in and then put it back together. That'll be that.
Fixed.
Yeah.
So step number 1 will be getting this pin up a bit. I just put them in recently, so it's moving easily. I have a jack stand under the edge of the door to hold it in place. Oh yeah, I can pull that up from the top now. Rob found these 2 bushings that he has. And this one seems a little bit out of round. I think they're both the same size anyway, but this one works good, and then it should be fixed and the door might actually close good, which is pretty exciting. Although I might have to work on this because it's seen some damage since the door has been so off for such a long time. We can move it. So after some struggling, because these doors are super heavy with Rob, got both pins back in, got the bushing in there on the top of this bracket.
I mean, there's a little bit of play, but no
something just fell out, but it can't fall out. I also put like a round of tape around it to make it a little tighter in the hole, so. Whoa!
What?
It's a little closer.
Yeah?
I assume it's that striker pin at this point.
Probably.
Being so out of adjustment from being slammed. Like you can see, it's like almost ovaled, worn down, beaten down. Might have to get another one of those or something, but at least that's in there. And like Rob says, there's a lot less Still a little bit of play, but a lot less than there was.
Just put a little, oops, put a piece of wood or something under the hinge, and then just give it a...
I thought the door was gonna break off from rust there. Oh,
That's way better.
rob the body, man.
There. Nice. Like new.
Wow. See, that's why I brought it here, because, you know, Rob knows the tricks like that. Piece of wood, and you're set. He's got his gas tank strap all set up, ready to go. His truck's getting safer by the minute.
It is, yeah. U-joints are done, and I gotta do the brake shoes and the axle seals tomorrow. And then the intake gasket I still gotta do.
Winter ready.
And the winter tires.
Now I can keep the cold out of my truck with closing door.
Yeah.
Literally, when it was like that and it wouldn't shut, I could look up and like you could see daylight. There was a big gap. It was pretty annoying. So that's awesome. I gotta eat, and we'll see you guys in a bit. So we're ripping to Clayton's now, down the back roads as usual, because it's the fun way to get there. Hey. Good.
Here's to family overnights. And Bill's not keeping
Look at that,
Oh, you're
guys.
filming?
Here's to never missing the chance.
Fuck, I lifted my leg there. Glad nothing came out.
Here's to bettering your tomorrow.
Yeah, fuck, one step forward, two steps back.
Easy financial.
Yeah, they got the K-member out now.
That's just hot rod.
I'm sure you'll see more videos that Clayton made today.
Yeah, we made a couple clips.
We're gonna have a look at this, yeah, in a minute. I'm gonna try pass on some knowledge.
Harness. Camp harness.
When I do these harnesses, I usually start with this end of it, worry about like the sensors, everything that goes on the engine later, and do the pinning up here at the connectors for the ECM. And you can also figure out the power stuff. Basically, these two go to the ECM. That on the stock truck goes to a block that connects it to power and relays and stuff, but that's all the power for the harness there. These other extra plugs are mostly not needed when you depin up here. Most of the wires for these plugs get lost, and then the other ones come out the harness at a later time. Yeah,
Those wires.
Clayton's gonna learn, Riley's gonna learn.
I hate electrical.
Yeah, everyone does, but at least nothing can usually go wrong if you take your time and pay attention.
Nothing can go wrong.
Not a lot of skill involved. It's not like welding where you can like screw up.
No, but if you screw up, it could be a pain in the ass to.
Yeah, you have to be a very careful worker.
Meticulous.
Meticulous. That's a good word.
Basically, they're all used up to what's 33 here.
Clayton and Riley are getting into the depinning now.
Oh, my
What I
eyes aren't
suggest
what
is
they
the
used
first
to be.
step. Working their way down the harness. Someone asked the first question, how much do we charge, or how much does Clayton charge
No, that would be Mike.
for the harness? He said 3,500. When I used to do it, I charged 360 bucks. Question number 2. Ciprano Vigil asks, who's the best mechanic out of the bunch of us?
Mechanic?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm just like a shade tree type mechanic.
I'd say it's me, pretty much. No, it's definitely Rob.
Rob used to be a mechanic, so.
He kind of has the most experience and
The most tools.
tools, sure, but just, yeah, he has a lot of know-how. He worked in a shop, so he saw lots of different scenarios of things, and he's just good at it, naturally. He's been doing it all his life, so. There's the answer to that. Ciprano. McGee. Oh, and there goes the live stream. Question number 3. Peanuts Potential asks, how did you guys meet? And since there's only the 2 of us here.
Mike used to have a Mustang 03 Cobra. And I think it was a Facebook page or a forum.
Heights.
Was it a forum?
Heights, Winnipeg Heights.
It was like an organized Mustang meet at the zoo that we have here.
The animal zoo, not the old rock bar zoo.
No, the animal zoo. And yeah, I don't know. He showed up. I showed up, and then that was it. That's how we met. Now I've known Rob for since like '96 or something.
The SPP goes way back.
Yeah.
I'm not even close to an original member.
Next gen.
Yeah, well, almost.
Gen 2.
Gen and a half. It's like when they put the new engine in the 0.5 model year.
Who?
Huh?
Which car?
What?
Huh?
Huh? Illegal. Sammy's garage. Any big plans for the winter?
For me?
For you?
Personally?
Yes.
It's just my boy's car.
Yeah.
That's a big enough plan.
Yeah. For Rob, well, we can't really speak for him. He's not here.
It's GTO.
But the GTO, he still kind of wants to get something else, though, which you guys might see him purchasing something else. And for me...
Mike?
And the clip.
Did you burp?
I tried to. I just wanted to say thanks to all you guys for watching. Because we don't say it enough anymore at the beginning. From watching some of these old videos, I've noticed. We're still very thankful. We read all your comments. At 30K, we get membership benefits. We may take the live stream behind the membership paywall. Wow. Did I just say that? Illegal.
You just dropped the bomb.
Yeah, we might do that. Having the public open to see our live streams isn't really the best idea. We've come to find. So it might go that way. But you won't find that out until we get to 30K. So tell your friends. We'll see you later, guys. Thanks for watching. Check out our previous videos for more car stuff. Cars. Radiators. Rads, as we call it. And the shit house. Okay.
Sounds pretty snotty with a stock can.
Because I don't know how to tune. We'll talk to you guys later. But yeah, we're up to date. So there's gonna be a video on this soon, and then there's gonna be a video on Rob's GTO more soon, and all kinds of stuff. And I got some interesting plans, so stay tuned, and we'll check you out later.